Hi, I'm Dana.
And I'm Dylan.
And this is the NeoCast tabletop.
From FurnitureLab.
Come take a closer look.
NeoCast tops have a durable laminate surface with a resilient edge that can withstand even high traffic use.
The bonded urethane edge is fused seamlessly to resist moisture and prevent accumulation of food debris or bacteria. The NeoCast tabletop comes with dozens of edge color options. You got smoke, periwinkle, port wine, and so many other choices.
So you can customize to whatever you need for your space.
These NeoCast tops have 8 edge profiles.
There are hundreds of laminate options to choose from, and you can customize them too.
So I can put my mascot in the center?
Absolutely.
Okay, I could put my office colors.
Already done. This thing can take whatever you throw at it. Even hurt.
10-year warranty.
Made in the USA.
FurnitureLab.
Crafted to connect.